Good evening. This is Accompong Network News. I'm Patra Rowe. Tonight, global tensions in the Middle East are rising. And while the conflict may seem far away, its impact is already being felt right here in Jamaica. The situation involving the United States, Israel, and Iran is creating instability across global markets, particularly in energy and trade. And for a country like Jamaica, with our reliance on imports, we're naturally exposed to those shifts. In just a few weeks, crude oil prices have moved from 54 to 74 US dollars per barrel. For Jamaica, importing nearly 2 billion US dollars in oil annually, that increase is quite significant. We're already seeing the effects. Electricity costs are trending upward, transportation is becoming more expensive, and food prices are starting to edge higher. It doesn't end there. Fertilizer prices have increased by roughly 25%, which places additional pressure on local agriculture. And with global shipping costs on the rise, imported goods are becoming more expensive across the board. For many Jamaicans, it simply means the cost of living is going up. The tourism sector now finds itself in a very interesting position. On one hand, higher fuel prices may lead to more expensive flights, which could soften demand. But on the other, Jamaica is being positioned as a safe, stable destination. And in times like these, that can work in our favor. All of this comes as Jamaica continues to recover from Hurricane Melissa, which caused approximately 8.8 billion US dollars in damage. That's about 41% of the country's GDP. With rising costs now added, rebuilding becomes even more challenging. At the same time, there has been some progress locally. Violent crime has declined significantly, with the murder rate down 55% compared to last year. And across the region, efforts continue to reduce the illegal flow of firearms into the Caribbean. Jamaica may not be directly involved in global conflict, but we are certainly feeling the effects. From rising costs to economic pressure to shifting opportunities, the impact is real. The question now is how we respond going forward. Reporting for Accompong Network News, I'm Patra Rowe. Stay informed.